Good morning. I am Suman Sharma from Government Polytechnic College, Khuni Majra. Today's my topic is trigonometrical ratios of multiple and multiples of angles and their problems also. Topic is trigonometrical ratio of multiple and submultiple of angles and their problems also. Now, sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a and cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a and 2 cos square a minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square a, and tangent to a is 2 tangent a upon 1 minus tangent square a. Now, we have to prove all these three. Number 1, proof of sin 2a. We know that sin a plus b is sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If we put a instead of b, then we will get sin a cos a plus cos a sin a, and it will be equal to 2 sin a cos a. Hence, we have proved. Now, cos formula, proof of cos 2a. Similarly, cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and similarly we will put a instead of b, then we get cos a minus sin a and sin a, and it will be equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Now, we can also write 1 minus sin square a instead of cos square a minus sin square a, and it will be equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Again, this is cos square a minus sin square a. We can also put 1 minus cos square a instead of sin square a. Then we get cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a, and it will be equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. So, we get three formulas for cos 2a. One is cos square a minus sin square a, another is 1 minus 2 sin square a, and third one is 2 cos square a minus 1. Cos 2a is equal to, means cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Now, proof of tangent a. Proof of tangent 2a. Tan a plus b is equal to tangent a plus tangent b upon 1 minus tangent a tangent b. And similarly, we will put a instead of b, and we get tangent a plus tangent a minus tangent a and tangent a. Then what we get in numerator is 2 tangent a, and in denominator is 1 minus tan square a. So, formula of tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Again, we can also write sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a upon 2. How? We know that cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sin square a, and from here we can write 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, and sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a upon 2. And similarly, cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, and cos square a is cos 2a plus 1 equal to 2 cos square a, and cos 2a plus 1 upon 2 is equal to cos square a. So, hence we can write sin square a is 1 minus cos 2a upon 2, and cos square a is equal to cos 2a plus 1 upon 2. Similarly, we can also write tangent square a. Tangent square a is sin square a upon cos square a, and sin square a we have write equal to this, and cos square a is equal to this, and we get 1 minus cos 2a upon 1 plus cos 2a. So, then tangent square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a upon 1 plus cos a. Now, next, proof of sin 2a in terms of 2 tangent a upon 1 plus tangent square a. Now, their proof. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a, and here is 1 in denominator, and we can write 2 sin a cos a, and 1 is equal to sin square a plus cos square a. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos square a, and we get 2 sin a cos a upon cos square a, and sin square a upon cos square a plus cos square a upon cos square a, and in numerator we get 2 tangent a, and denominator 1 tan square a plus 1. So we have proved sin 2a is equal to sin 2a is equal to 2 tangent a upon 1 plus tan square a. Now next, cos 2a in terms of tangent square a, 1 minus tan square a and 1 plus tan square a, we have to prove this. Now prove. We know that cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a, and here is 1 in denominator, and cos square a minus sin square a, and 1 is cos square a plus sin square a, and it is equal to cos 2a is equal to, if we divide by cos square a, numerator and denominator, we get 1 minus tangent square a and 1 plus tangent square a. Hence proved. Their corollaries: sin 2a is 2 tangent a upon 1 plus tangent square a, and cos 2a is 1 minus tan square a 1 plus tan square a. These are two formulas, and corollary is sin a is, if we divide the angle by 2, then we will get 2 tangent a by 2 and 1 plus tangent square a by 2. Similarly, cos a is 1 minus tangent square a by 2 and 1 plus tangent square a by 2. Now formulas of sin 3a. Sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, but we have to prove this. Proof is sin 3a is, we can write sin 2a plus a, and sin a plus b, By applying the formula of sin A plus B is sin A cos B, B means this, and plus cos A and sin B. Sin B means this. And by applying the formulas of sin 2A and cos 2A. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A, and this cos A, plus cos 2A is first we will write sin A, and cos 2A is 1 minus 2 sin square A. Now it will be equal to 2 sin A cos square A plus it will be equal to sin A minus 2 sin cube A, and because there is no cos, so we will convert this cos in terms of sin square A. By multiply 2 sin A minus 2 sin cube B, 2 sin cube A plus sin A minus 2 sin cube A. So we get 3 sin A, 3 sin A and minus 4 sin cube A. So formula of sin 3A is 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Now next, formula of cos 3A. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Proof: cos 3A is equal to cos 2A plus A. Similarly, we will apply the formula of cos A plus B. Cos A cos B, B means this A, minus sin 2A and sin B, B means this A. Now by applying the formula of cos 2A, cos A is here, and we will put the formula in terms of cos square, and the formula of sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A and sin A. By multiplying, we get 2 cos cube A minus cos A, and here is 2 cos A and sin square A. Because there is no sin in the formula, so we will eliminate sin square. Sin square is 1 minus cos square A, and by multiply by 2 cos A is minus minus plus 2 cos cube A. Here also 2 cos square A minus cos A. Now by simplify we get 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So we have proved the formula of cos 3A. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Now next, formula of tangent 3A. Tangent 3A is equal to tangent 2A plus A. Similarly, and we know the formula of tan A plus B. What is the formula of tan A plus B is tangent A plus tangent B 1 minus tan A and tan B. Here is tangent 2A plus tangent B 1 minus tangent A and tangent B. Now we will put the formula of tan 2A. Tan 2A is 2 tangent A upon 1 minus tan square A. B means A. 1 minus tan 2A is here tan A we will write first, and tan 2A is 2 tangent A upon 1 minus tan square A, and we get 2 tan A plus tangent A and 1 minus tan square A, and in denominator 1 minus tangent square A minus tan A multiplied by 2 tan A is 2 tangent square A, and 1 minus tan square A is cancelled by this 1 minus tan square A, and by simplify we get 2 tangent A plus tangent A minus tangent cube A, and here is 1 minus tan square A minus 2 tan square A, and it will be equal to 3 tangent A minus tan cube A, and in denominator it will be equal to 1 minus 3 tan square A. So formula of tan 3A is this: 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. Now next, to prove that sine 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now prove, let A is equal to 18 degree and multiply by 5, it will be equal to 90 degree. Now taking sine both side we will get sin 90 equal to 1 and sin 5a is equal to 2a plus 3a. It's now first of all we apply one step, that is 5a is equal to 2a plus 3a and equal to 90 degree. Now we can write 2a is equal to 90 degree minus 3a. Now we will apply sine both side. Sin 2a is equal to sine 90 minus 3a and sine 2a, and here is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a and cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now taking cos a common, it will cancel from both sides and it will be equal to 2 cos square a minus 3. Now change cos square a into 1 minus sin square a. Now 4 minus 4 sin square a minus 3, and it will be equal to 1 minus 4 sin square a, means 2 sin a is equal to 1 minus 4 sin square a. Now 4 sin square a plus 2 sin a minus 1 equal to 0. By applying quadratic equation, we will get minus 2 plus minus b square minus 4 a c and upon 2a, and it will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 upon 8, and it will be equal to minus 2 plus minus 20 upon 16, and it will be equal to 4 5s are 20, 2 outside and root 5 is under the root upon 16. Now by taking 2 common, we will get 2 4s are 8, here is only 8, not 16. By taking 2 common, we will get minus 1 plus minus root 5 upon 4. Hence, there is two values of sin a. One is root 5 minus 1 upon 4 and another is minus 1 minus root 5 upon 4, because a is 18 degree and it lies only in first quadrant, and in first quadrant all angles are positive, so we take only positive value of this angle. Hence the value of sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now next, value of cos 72 degree. We know that 72 degree is equal to 19 minus 18, taking cos and it will be equal to sine 18, and sine 18 we have proved earlier root 5 minus 4. So, value